There are 3 Liliths, and understanding the difference between the 3 can really help you work on your shadow work when it comes to people pleasing and standing your ground. Now, Lilith is a calculated point in astrology. There are 3 types. We have mean Lilith, true Lilith, and oscillating Lilith, also called black moon Lilith. By the way, my name is Nadia. I'm neurospicy, and I would absolutely love to know, where is your 3 Liliths? I have my mean Lilith and black moon Lilith in Libra, and my true Lilith is in Virgo. Now, it's important to understand that Lilith is a calculated point in your birth chart. All 3 of them are calculated point, and it's different than the asteroid Lilith, which I won't go into in this video. Now, Lilith represents the space where the moon is furthest from the earth, and it's calculated in a couple of different ways. The first one, and the most common, which is the default for many software, is oscillating Lilith, also known as black moon Lilith. This is the most astronomically exact. What it gives us is a precise snapshot of the part of us that refuses to settle. Now we get mean Lilith and true Lilith. They are different for one reason. The moon is wobbly, and mean Lilith averages out the wobble so that it is very, shall we say, smooth. And I think of this as the lifelong lesson that I need to learn. The lesson that won't necessarily change and that will show up in my life over and over again until I master it. True Lilith, on the other hand, embraces the wobble, and you might have a wobbly Lilith. I certainly do. My Lilith in true Lilith is different than my mean Lilith. This shows me the pattern that you actually feel when you're living it. Now, the sign they fall into will give you an idea of the themes, the subjects that it will handle, and the house it falls in will show you where that shows up in your life, in what area. I like to think of the entire thing as if I'm looking at Lilith from different areas, and I'm trying to understand myself and where I can work with my Lilith. I use it for people pleasing. I use it because I'm a massive people pleaser. Oh my goodness. Like 10 out of 10 people pleaser, where I am able to stand my ground where I need to buckle up buttercup, grow a pair of balls. If you ever felt like you want to do any of that, then it is worth going on to AstroSeek, seeing where all 3 of your Liliths are, so that you can incorporate it in your shadow work. If you're a ride or die and you've made it to the end, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. In the comments, I would love to know, what color eyes do you have? I've got hazel eyes. They're very dark today, but usually they're incredibly light. And when I get angry, they go yellow. And I look a little bit feral. The hazel bit gets yellow, not the whites of the eyes. I don't go into a liver failure automatically. But I'm curious, what color eyes are yours?